Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. So we have a big project that we need to get done right now, and that is we are moving our 80 meat birds out to pasture. So we need to get the fence set up, we need to get the shelter put where it needs to go. We needed to buy another solar power generator for the chickens because our other one is over there with the pigs. So we are gonna go ahead and get all this ready to bring out our 80 meat birds, because later on this week we are getting 80 more, and those need to be in the brooder. It's supposed to be up to 80 degrees today, which is going to be really nice. We do have some thunderstorms coming with it, so we need to get this done now before the thunderstorms and rain hit. So let's get started. Alright friends, those wheels helped out a lot. There's no way I'd have been able to drag it over here without those wheels. So this is the idea for this year. We're gonna go all the way down through the orchard, come back up around, and then go back into our normal spot, which is over by the picnic area. This is how we're gonna rotate them this year, so we can get some fertilizer over here in our orchard. I am so glad that we have this. This is a great place that we can keep all of our chicken supplies. We've got our meat bird feed in here, as well as the fence. We had that in there also. This has been a lifesaver. So real quick, let me tell you about this feed. We bought 20 bags of the meat bird feed, and we are down to 10 bags. So they have eaten half of what we purchased, and we were hoping to only go through 20 bags. But now is when they're really gonna start eating, so we might go past those 20 bags. Those bags are 40 pounds each. That's a lot of feed for these chickens. We've got it all set up. Now we need to go down and pick up the meat birds and bring them over here and put them in their new home. All right, we got our first 20. Now we need to go ahead and release them. So we officially have all 81 birds now out to pasture, and they are so far loving it. So I miscounted when I originally got them and I was getting them their water. I counted 81, but actually we had 82. We did lose one out of this whole batch, so that's not bad at all. We just got them some fresh water. Now we need to go and get the tarp to put over here just so that they can be safe from aerial predators. They have somewhere to go. Also, when it rains, they also have somewhere to go, not just the inside of their little coop. So we're gonna go head over and get the tarp right now and put that up. Alright friends, they are done. They are all set up. These are a bunch of dumb birds right here. We had to take them one by one and bring them over to the shade because they were down at the very end dying in the heat. They looked like they were going to stroke out at any minute. So we had to rush them over here. We tried to get them to come, but they wouldn't. So we had to pick them up and bring them one at a time under the shade with the water so that they can cool off. But we're done. Finally, we're done. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any meat birds that you are getting this year, let me know in the comments. Until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.